Hi, I'm Oliver from Hannells. We are here today in Oakwood to take a look at this fantastic 3-storey, 5-bedroom detached family home. Let's take a look inside. So as you'll see, this is a great size property with some really unique features. Let's take a look in the lounge first. So next we come through into the dining room, which again, a really nice space. We've got double French doors at the back here, overlooking the garden. And then we move into this really traditional breakfast kitchen, plenty of storage the whole way through, and some space for a nice breakfast table too. And then straight out of the kitchen, we come into this lovely internal hallway. It's got a handy downstairs toilet, access to the side of the property, and follow me upstairs. And so on the first floor, we've got 4 bedrooms, the shower room, and an additional ensuite shower room too. And one of the real standout features of this property is this room at the front, currently used as a first floor reception room, but easily turned back into a bedroom. It's got the ensuite bathroom and these Juliet balconies to the front, which take full advantage of the views over the green. Now, follow me upstairs to the second floor with the master suite and an incredible ensuite bathroom. So the master suite enjoys its own landing with plenty of storage to the side here as well. We open into this really good sized master bedroom that again benefits from those views out over the green to the front, and just take a look at this ensuite bathroom. So that is inside. Let's go and take a look at the garden. And out into the garden, split level, plenty of paved patio area and a great lawn. So that is Kirkstead Close, fantastic 5-bedroom detached house, available now with our Oakwood branch. For any more information, give us a call on 01332 280072. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.